Yogic Sukshma Vyayam Microcirculation Practices. Griva Shakti Vikasaka 1. Hari Om. Neck movement. Griva Shakti Vikasaka 1. Up and down movement of neck. Inhale while looking up. Exhale while looking down. Inhale while looking up. Exhale while looking down. Griva Shakti Vikasaka 2. Turn to your left and right side alternately. Exhale while turning sideways and inhale while coming back to center. Turn to your right. Exhale while turning sideways and inhale while coming back to center. Tilt your neck both the side alternately. Exhale while tilting. Inhale while coming back to center. Exhale while tilting. Inhale while coming back to center. Griva Shakti Vikasaka 3. Rotate your neck clockwise and anti-clockwise. Don't give any jerk while rotating neck. Follow this for about 3 to 5 times for each direction. Griva Shakti Vikasaka 4. Inhale such that neck tendons and veins are visible. Exhale slowly. Repeat this for few times. Shoulder movement. Purna Bhuja Shakti Vikasaka. Rotate your hand, either one hand at a time, or you can also rotate both the hands at a time. For few times in forward direction and few times in backward direction. Side view of Purna Bhuja Shakti Vikasaka. Few time forward direction, few time backward direction. Bhujavalli Shakti Vikasaka. Raise both the hands up towards the sky and touch your biceps to ear. Palm should be facing outward. Do it for few times. Side view of Bhujavalli Shakti Vikasaka. Trunk movement, that is Kati Shakti Vikasaka 1. Interlock your fingers behind your hips. Inhale and bend backward. Exhale slowly and bend forward. Try to touch your forehead to knees and stretch the hand as much as forward. Inhale and come back to the normal position. Kati Shakti Vikasaka 2. Spread your legs such that the distance is more than your shoulders. Give the support of your hands to your waist and inhale and bend back. Exhale and bend forward. Try to touch the head to the floor while keeping the knees straight. Do it for few times and come to normal position. Kati Shakti Vikasaka 3. While doing this exercise, keep your hands sideways with same speed. Bend back and forth alternately for few times. Inhale while bending back. Exhale while bending forward. Kati Shakti Vikasaka 4. Variation 1. Keep the leg apart. Raise the hand sideways parallel to the ground while inhaling. Bend the right till the right hand touches the right heel while exhaling. Bend in the same plane. Look at the palm of the left hand directing forward. Come up with inhalation. Variation 2. Keep your feet together, hand parallel to the ground. Touch your right calf with your right hand and vice versa. While bending sideways, exhale. While coming upward, inhale. Kati Shakti Vikasaka 5. Keep about 1 feet distance between your legs and hands parallel to the ground. Twist sideways while keep hands parallel to the floor. Do it for few times. Janga Shakti Vikasaka A. Keep your feet and knees near to each other and come into chair position, hands in front, parallel to the ground. Knees should not go more forward than your toes. Side position of Janga Shakti Vikasaka A. Janga Shakti Vikasaka B. Spread your hands and knees sideways so that your hips will come close to your heels. Repeat this for few times. Janu Shakti Vikasaka. Kick your hip with your heel and make your knees straight in front. Repeat this for few times. Do the same with another leg. Padamula Shakti Vikasaka A. Raise your heel by giving stress on your toes. Do this for few times, heels up and heels down. Padamula Shakti Vikasaka B. We have to jump on our toes, jumping on toes for few times. Gulfa Pada Prishta Pada Tala Shakti Vikasaka, that is ankle rotation. Keeping our knees straight, rotate your ankle clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Repeat the same procedure with another leg. Yogic Sthula Vyayam, that is macro circulation practices Sarvanga Pushti. Spread your legs keeping distance more than your shoulders. Make fist of your hands and place left hand in front and right hand fist behind. Now stretch your back a little, keep your knees straight, keep your back straight, exhale and bend down. Now change the fist, place your hands on floor and try touching your head to your knee. Again interchange your fist and come up and relax hand down. Legs closer after Sarvanga Pushti. Hridgati, that is engine Daud. In this, we have to kick our hips with the heels. When left hand moves in backward direction, left heel should kick the hip. Similarly, when right hand moves back, right heel should kick the hip. Do this for 1 or 2 minutes. Hari Om.